how to set the S Pen and view to show pointer only, previews only, or both on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down, and in here, tap on advanced features. After that, tap on S Pen. Then in here, tap on Air View. From here, at the top, make sure you turn on Air View. Then we go down, and in here you can choose to have your previews and pointer show at the same time, or pointer only, or previews only. So here, if I choose previews only, you can see that here, if I move my S Pen closer to the picture, it only shows the previews, but it does not show the pointer. So here, if I go and I choose pointer only, here it will show a pointer on the pictures as I move around. So you can see there is a pointer right there, but it does not show the preview. Or you can have it up both, so you can have both turned on, so previews and pointer. Here, if I move my pen across the pictures, it will show both the pointer and the preview of the picture. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.